Hey y'all, so I guess I'm gonna be doing a voiceover. I absolutely hate doing voiceovers, but you know, it is what it is. So these are the products that I'm gonna be using. Gorilla Snot, the orange kind. And then you'll need some water, 2 scrunchies, a brush, an edge brush, a Drawstring Ponytail from the beauty supply store. I paid $13.99 for mine. I got the Free Tress Drawstring Ponytail 18-inch in the color 1B. So those are the products that you'll need for this hairstyle. Super easy, super cheap. This is basically a Aaliyah Jays inspired ponytail, except I didn't use heat because I don't have my flat iron with me. I left it at school. And I just want to let y'all know, y'all, my hair is dirty. I'm actually about to wash it right now. I literally just got done filming this video and I'm about to go ahead and wash my hair because it is dirty. So y'all don't even have to tell me because I know my hair is dirty. But I really wanted to get this video up. I actually filmed it a couple days ago, but I didn't like how it came out, so I did it over. What else do I have to say? I think that's it. Oh yeah, and I don't know what the hell that is on my shirt because this shirt is clean. I don't know. I guess it's a stain that just won't get out. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If y'all have any questions, leave them down below. And if I remember to check the comments, I'll answer them. What else? Oh yeah, and it's really hard for me to get my hair to lay down and not be curly. I know y'all see those curls. Look at the waves. Bro, I love my hair, but it is absolutely annoying because my hair will not, you know, lay down and be like really sleek and straight the way I want it. But you know, it is what it is. This is what I was blessed with. Later in the video, you'll see me put some Jamaican black castor oil in my hair. It's because my edges are really thin and I'm attempting to grow them back some more. So I don't know if it's really working, but that's what I'm using for my edges because they are pretty thin. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm almost at 3,000 subscribers. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe. And I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million.